Hi friends, welcome to Abhi Talks. In this video, we will say some positive affirmations. Three simple steps to saying positive affirmations are: take a deep breath, sit comfortable in a sitting position, and say your positive affirmation and visualize and feel how you feel after achieving it. Take a moment to think about how good you feel. That's it. Do regularly and physiologically experience the positive affirmation. Today and every day, I choose to be confident. I radiate confidence, certainty, and optimism. I courageously open and move through every door of opportunity. I am in charge of my life. I have the power to live my dreams. My mind has unlimited power. I stand up for what I believe in. I act with courage and confidence. I believe in myself. I am creative and think outside the box. I attract success and prosperity with all of my ideas. I wake up and make a difference in this world. My business is growing every single day. I am building something that is greater than myself. I am fulfilling my purpose in life. I forgive myself. What I did is in the past, and now I can create my future. I forgive everyone that has hurt me in the past and move forward with a cleansed soul. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. I am rich in health, wealth, and love. Opportunities and advantages come with each door that I open. The more I give to the world, the more I get. What I currently do is serving me towards my higher purpose. I have the power to change my thoughts in a second. I am allowed to do what I want with my life. I have power to change myself. I allow myself to play and enjoy life. I am making a difference in this world. I am at peace with all that has happened and is happening and will happen. My life is just beginning. Today I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. I have given up my bad habits and I am so grateful for that. I am now free from my bad habits. I only do positive habits. I am thankful that I get to live another day. I see the world with beauty and color. I deserve whatever good comes my way today. Today is rich with opportunity and I open my heart to receive them. I take time to show my friends that I care about them. I live a positive life and only attract the best in my life. I am peacefully allowing my life to unfold. Today and every day, I choose to be happy. I am fun and energetic, and people love me for it. My life overflows with happiness and love. I always have everything I need to be happy. I fuel my mind with healthy thoughts. I fuel my body with healthy foods. I eat foods that energize and sustain me. I fuel my mind, my body with exercise. I feel every cell of my body get healthier every day. Every day, my mind and body are becoming more healthy and energetic. I think, act, and communicate like a leader. I am an inspirational leader. I am a role model for others. I inspire others to be their best self. I lead by example. I am an effective communicator. I give my love to the world and world sends me love in return. Today and every day I choose to give to the world. Today and every day I choose to make a difference in this world. Everywhere I see, I look love. The partner I seek is also seeking me. I love my partner with all my heart. I am thankful that I get to share this beautiful life with my partner. I surround myself with positive and loving people. Today I could meet the love of my life. I am ready to be in love. I love myself more every day. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I always have enough money to suit my needs. Money flows to me like a beautiful gold river. I love watching my money grow. I am full of money making ideas. My money is continuously increasing. I am generous with money as I know it will return in magnitude. Today I claim my share. Money flows to me freely and abundantly into my life. I deserve to be rich. I love facing challenges. They allow me to grow. There is a benefit and opportunity in every experience I have. My attitude grows happier and healthier every single day. I am always in the right place at the right time. I have everything I need to overcome this challenge. I am a better person due to the challenges I have faced. I learn and grow from every experience. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I am breaking old habits and creating new successful ones. I become more productive every single day. I have unwavering discipline, and because of this, I will succeed. I always win because I am willing to work harder than anyone else. I will die before I give up. Time is most valuable resource. Therefore, I spend it wisely. I am disciplined and productive in everything that I do. I am most beautiful person I know. I have heart of gold and share this with the world. I have power right now to decide what I want to do. I am gift to the world. I am unique and have so much to offer this world. I am definition of sexy. I have the power to say yes and say no. I choose to do what matters most to me every day. Today and every day, I choose to be successful. I make choices based on inspiration but not desperation. I am a magnet for success and good fortune. Today I am stronger and wiser than yesterday. I am a genius and I will apply my wisdom every day. I am a magnet for other like minded and successful people. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more successful. Prosperity and success is my natural state of mind. I am an example of success and triumph. I demonstrate excellence in everything I do. My life is an adventure filled with opportunity and reward. I am committed to my goals. I bring solutions. Today and every day, I am moving a step closer to my goals. I am focused on and moving towards my higher purpose. I do meaningful work that positively impacts this world. I am open to opportunities. I am definition of success. I deserve to be successful. So friends, I have compiled the most important 100 powerful affirmations for you in a meditative state. Please do affirm these affirmations. Thank you.